Hello, Sarah.
Hi, Ali. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
What are you holding?
I am holding a bag of apples.
Oh, I love apples.
Me too. They are my favorite fruit.
Do you like green apples or red apples?
I prefer the red ones. They are sweeter.
Yes, I agree. What other fruits do you eat?
I eat bananas for breakfast.
Bananas are very healthy.
That is right. I also like oranges.
Oranges have a lot of vitamin C.
I drink orange juice every day.
That is a good habit.
What about you? What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries and mango.
Mangoes are delicious.
They are the best in the summer.
Now let's talk about vegetables.
Okay, I like many vegetables.
Do you like carrots?
Yes, I do. Carrots are good for the eyes.
I put carrots in my salad.
I also like to eat cucumbers.
Cucumbers are very fresh.
Do you cook with potatoes?
Yes, I make fried potatoes.
Do you like onions?
Not alone, but I use them for cooking.
Me too. Onions give food a good flavor.
What about tomatoes?
Tomatoes are great in a sandwich.
I think tomatoes are a fruit.
Really? I thought it was a vegetable.
It is a fruit, but we use it like a vegetable.
That is interesting information.
Do you like broccoli?
I try to eat it. It is very green.
It is important to eat green vegetables.
I agree. I eat a lot of lettuce.
Lettuce is essential for a good salad.
Do you buy your fruits and vegetables from the market?
Yes, I go to the local market every week,
That is nice. The prices are better there.
and the produce is fresh.
Enjoy your apples, Ali.
Thank you, Sarah. You too. Goodbye.
See you later.